Hello and welcome back once again to Learn English with Saddam Hussein. I'm Saddam Hussein here. Good morning to you all. Well, I'm sure you must be practicing English, whichever part of the world you are in. Wherever you are in, whatever the time it is now, maybe the morning, afternoon, evening, I'm sure you must be practicing English. English is so important in any part of the world. You can go all over the world if you know English. If you have no idea how to speak, you'll be having problem, you'll be having trouble. So I'm sure you must be practicing. It's not difficult. I told you many times, it's not difficult. Keep practicing. Where there is a will, there is a way out. If you want to learn English, you can. If you want to learn German, you can. You can want to learn French. Any language is not difficult. Only the thing is you should have the willpower. So some easy tips to learn any language. For that matter, we're discussing about English is, number one is read books. Any book. We're not recommending you any book, maybe story books, maybe any books. Number two, read newspapers and magazines. Number three, watch TV programs in English. Whatever the programs, even the children's programs in English and news especially in English. Whatever the channel might be, maybe your local language in English channels or maybe some international channels like BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation or CNN. These are the world famous broadcasters all over the world. Whichever the part of the world you are in, you'll be getting CNN, BBC, and there are many other English channels. Apart from that, there are many podcasts. Apart from that, there are many other YouTube channels. The whole world is yours if you want to learn English. Okay, today we will be discussing about 2-3 things. You always have a confusion. That is how to use until, how to use by, how to use till. So what are these? These are time prepositions, we call them. Until, by, till. That means someone has given you time. You should finish it by evening. You should do this work by evening, or you should finish this work by 5 o'clock. So this is time prepositions. That means they've given you a time, you should finish. Until, they almost give you the same meaning. The only the difference is until is used formally and till is used informally. Some examples I'll show you here, then I'll give you many examples to make you understand. I'll go off the screen, you can see it here. So I'll read out by versus until. When do we use by? When do we use until? Until is formal, I told you, till is informal. Continue up to. For example, I worked until 1 p.m. So this may be in the afternoon. I started working at 10 o'clock in the morning. I worked until 1 p.m. That means continuously I worked until 1 p.m. That means I stopped my work at 1 p.m. I worked until 1 p.m. Another example, I can use my dad's car until 5 p.m. That means my dad has given me permission to drive his car until 5 p.m. or you can say till 5 p.m. I work till 1 p.m. You can use this till until means whether you're using it as a formal or informal. We have to stay in the same room until the end of the exam. Till the exam is over. Until the end of the exam. So I worked until 1 p.m. I can use my dad's car until 5 p.m. We have to stay in the same room until the end of the exam. I can give you many other examples of until. Don't go away till I come. Don't go away until I come here. don't stop the work until I tell you to stop. Don't stop writing till I tell you to stop, or until I tell you to stop the work. Don't, anything you can use it. Don't start the work until I come back from office. Don't go to see your friend until I come. Don't visit the park until I come back from an office. We'll go together until or till. Until I come, please wait. The doctor has waited until the patient has come. So, don't go away until you finish the work. Until you finish this work, you can't take up another work. The boss will not send me away until I finish my work. So this is until or till, formally or informally how we're using it. Until. Don't go away until I come. My dad allowed me to drive his car till or until 5 p.m. That means after 5 p.m. I have to give back his car. He has to go. Well, so don't eat your food until the sunset. Okay? So this is until. You can see one more, by. Example, by almost gives the same meaning. I need to return my movie by January 12th. I need to return my movie. By means, by January 12th, that means, what is the difference between until and by means? I can return it before that, maybe on 11th of Jan, or maybe on 10th, maybe on 5th of Jan, but I need to return my movie by January 12th. I will finish my homework by 4 p.m. I'll finish my homework by 4 p.m. Yes, you could finish it even 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. or 1 o'clock. I'll quit smoking by summer. So, I'm planning to complete my graduation by the end of this semester. I'm planning to finish my assignment by evening. I'm planning to clean my room by 2 p.m. Anything until by. So almost they have the same thing. Any number of sentences we can give, until or till. So we can use it. Some sentences which you can use it at your home. I won't start preparing my lunch until my servant won't come. I'll prepare only. I finish my work by 4 p.m. I'll finish my work by 4 p.m. That means I could finish it before that also. Until, this is the one. Please don't go away until I come back home. Please don't go on a holiday until we join you. Please don't go away until we come. So these are some of the important. By, I try to finish it by evening. I try to reach your home by 4 p.m. I try to say goodbye to you by 7 o'clock in the evening. I'll try to catch up by. So these are some of the sentences. So until, till, by, they almost have the same meaning. So the teacher asked me to complete my work by Friday. I should finish my assignment by the weekend. I should get it signed, my assignment book, by October. I'll finish my graduation by 2025. So these are some of the sentences. You can learn it gradually one by one. We'll be putting on more videos. Please keep watching them here. So until, by, and till. So these are some of the sentences. You can see it here once again. Finally, I'll give you many ones. By versus until. Until is formal, till is informal. So continue up to, that means I worked until 1 p.m. That means continuously I'm working from morning till 1 p.m. I can use my dad's car until 5 p.m. So after 5 p.m. I have to give back his car. He has to attend a function. We have to stay in the same room until the end of the exam. So I can give you more sentences. The teacher advised me not to leave the room until he comes back. So we are not allowed to enter the lab until the lab assistant comes. We are not allowed to enter the park until the gardener won't give us permission. This is until. So don't eat food until the time you say the prayers. You can do that only after saying the prayers. I need to return my movie by January. I'll finish my homework by 4 p.m. I'll quit smoking by summer. By evening, I'll come to your home. I'll leave your home by 10 p.m. The train will come by 7 p.m. So these are some of the sentences. Keep practicing them. We'll put more videos like this. So thank you guys for watching. So keep practicing. The more the hard work you put, the more practice. They say practice makes a man perfect. Keep practicing it. Practice, listen, like that will help you out. Practice makes a man perfect. You always get perfection with practice. The more practice you do, the more perfection you get. That's all we have time. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like your tweets. Do comment in case you have any difficulty with any, or in case you need any help. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye. Bye-bye guys. Don't forget to keep smiling. That's it. Bye-bye.